What up, boss Dons? It's the DonDeano himself, CurtisDonDeano. That sounded really awkward saying it like that. But basically what we're doing here today is unboxing some black low Air Force One 07s. I never knew these was called 07. So, just as a heads up, these were retail $90. This is a size 8. I get them true to size. You really want to get them the smallest size that you can get them in. So like if you like your shoes a little roomy, try not to do that with this. Get your size specifically because you definitely want to have not too much room because you don't want them to crease. There are a lot of solutions for creasing, but you don't even want to indulge in that. I mean, there are a lot of solutions for creasing, but I mean, I guess we can get into that in another video. So it just pretty much comes simple like this. There's nothing too special about the packaging because it's such a classic shoe, such a staple shoe. I probably bought these shoes 2 or 3 or 4 times over, maybe sometimes the high. I think this is my first pair of low ones. And it just has like Air Force One, the logo with its insignia all over. And then you get a pair of fresh, clean, crispy Air Force Ones. Now, I had like a couple feelings about these just because sometimes I feel like they are just a little orthopedic looking. Like the white is so much cleaner, but the black is also a classic, but sometimes the shine in them doesn't read as well as the white. The white looks really matte, whereas the black can kind of come off as shiny. It's a really soft leather on the shoe, and you got a really hard rubber sole. People love these because they have like a decent sized sole, but to sometimes it can come off as very like orthopedic looking. I'll definitely show you guys probably some cool fits to wear with these as well. I can also do a how to lace video, and I also have a really dope project in mind for these. They kind of come really laced, really tight. If you could see, we definitely can change that. I'll definitely make sure I change that. That could be a separate video if you guys need it. Yeah, but I really enjoy new shoes. And then they kind of got like a Nike Air Force One logoing in the bottom, including the size. I mean, so this doesn't really have to be a long video. I definitely can do an on foot in this video, but I want to separate the how to lace video because I feel like the lace video should always be separate. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it. I mean, this shoe has been such an incredible staple and has been the basis of so many other shoes. Like one of my favorite off-white ones was the Air Force, but they didn't really change it. One of my all-time favorite shoes, the Riccardo Tisci Air Force boot, space boot looking thingy thing. And so yeah, the Air Force is definitely a model that if you don't love it, I'm sure you can find some variation to love it. And this always reminds me of like a stereo, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so yeah. And now to the on foot.
Part of it has to do with that conversation we were just having. Yeah. Lately I've been on the same shit. Wood grain whipping through the city that I'm from. Ex-girl saying, nigga, look what you become. I don't really give a fuck, no. Stay true to the things that I do. No time had to stay on the move. I need the world in the palm of my hands, and most of these bitches just don't understand. I'm a main nigga from the east side of Oakland. I never had nothing, it seems I was chosen. I had to go follow my dreams, yeah. I just thought that it's all what it seems, yeah. Hey, I was made for this shit. Shit never changed, I remain with the click. Speeding through all of the stop signs, so we pulling up right here on Lakeshore Drive. Splitting that backwood, relieving the pressure. Oh yeah, cause you'll never know just where this life is gonna take you, yeah. As long as you know to never let no nigga break you, yeah.
Now, as you can see, when I was walking in that video, I was trying so hard not to crease my feet because that's how you have to walk when you first get Air Forces. You have to try your hardest not to crease them because with one bend, this toe box will change forever. Alright, Bustons, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Also, if you like my content, it wouldn't hurt if you pledged to my Patreon as well. It would be great if you would just stay untouchable. Godspeed.